get her a baby waterbed.
A baby waterbed. What are you doing, Kaylee? Are you trying to escape? There we go. Whoa!
She made a break for it there.
I think she just legs hanging over the edge. She's reaching for the grass is what she's doing. You don't want to get grass in a pool.
Careful there, babe.
Oh, I didn't bring out our yellow ball. Do you want me to go get it?